Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's another episode here on Custom Car Bros. And in this episode, we're going to be doing a tutorial. In this episode, just tutorial, we're going to be mounting this light bar onto the go-kart. It's going to be a quick and simple tutorial. This Pacific light bar, it's a great deal. It's like 25 bucks. It's from Autosaver 88. Link in the description. It is a great product. So the first time it arrived, it actually was broken, like a huge chunk, like from here to here was just shattered. So I wrote it, got on my computer, and then I went to the return details, and it must have got like that way from shipping and stuff. So anyway, they ended up sending a new one, and I sent that other one away. It was great shipping though, and everything ended perfect. So this is a great product we're going to be using. So what you're going to need for this is a light bar kit with all the mounts is what I'm using. And then with all the wiring, which is really helpful because, yeah, like this one I just stuck on. This is the button just right by that steering wheel, so I can just jump right on. Anyways, but what we're going to be doing first step is, you see how there's some holes right here? What you're going to want to do is move this light bar right over here, and then decide where you want it, and then mark. So there's a little bit of a marker right there. And that's where you're going to need to drill 2 holes, one on each side, and then mount this thing. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let's jump right in. Jump right in. Okay, now we've got that mounted. Now we gotta do the wiring. So basically we got 2 wires here. We got a positive, which is the red, negative, which is the black. They're both just gonna hook up to these wires. This is their battery pack. And then this is actually just hooked right up to the switch, which will hook up to this thing right here. And then we've got this piece right here, which I don't know what that is, but I think it's a delay or something. And it's just self-tapered onto the chassis of it. And then we've got a wire that runs all the way up, which is going to get routed different, and it's got 2 wires, and then those 2 wires are going to hook up with these 2 wires, and then, yeah, so let's jump right into the wiring. You're also going to want to use some zip ties, and they're going to hold the wire onto the frame, just to make it look a little bit cleaner. So anyways, yeah, that was just giving you a quick tip, so let's jump right in. Alright guys, we got that all wired up. It's got a wire running from here to here, all around down, matching with this frame to all the way to here. And then basically there's like it's like 10 feet right here of wire, and I only needed it for like 2 feet, so I spooled it up right there, and that goes right there. And then right here we got our fuse, and then we got our battery. What it actually is a DeWalt battery, because these are like circle like washers for like an actual like quad battery or something, or a real car battery. That's what I'm using for now, because my other batteries like this are dead. Those are better for it because you can just bolt right onto them. Anyways, but I'm about ready to go take this thing for a rip. We just gotta wait for it to get dark now, but it works. Like, so I didn't have any 12-volt batteries, so I kind of taped together these batteries and then wired them together and equaled a total of 12 volts. So the problem is once you hit too much voltage, it'll actually not let this thing allow voltage up to the switch. So it wasn't working. So if you have too much volts, it won't work. If you don't have not enough volts, it obviously won't work either. But this is a 20-volt max. I don't know how much volts are in this. I bet 12-ish. I'm just using that because it's a drill battery. It's the only thing that would fit and hold these. So the most thing I'm worried about is when we're driving, if those are going to come off. That'd be pretty bad. But anyways, once it gets dark, we're going to take it for a rip. So catch you at night. Alright guys, it's go time. Oh, gotcha now. Alright guys, it's go time! Woo! That light works pretty dang good. I'm quite impressed actually. That's the problem. Right there, it's that those things will come undone. Boom! Definitely needs a bigger engine. That's a definite. Woo! It ain't going very fast, but it sure looks like it. Oh no, we lost it again. We gotta make it up this hill first. That ain't gonna do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We lost our gas lid. We lost our lights again too. That thing is pretty bright. It's kind of a one spot though. It doesn't really spread as much as it should. But hey, no complaints. I need to figure out that whole setup though, because that ain't gonna work for very long. But that's kind of convenient though, because you can be driving and then you can just extend your index finger and just go boom. Turn it off if you're going. You don't even have to move your whole hand off the steering wheel and just go boom. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That is basically a wrap for this tutorial. In the next episode, we're definitely going to need to figure out something for that battery. That's not quite working the best, but because when it jibbles, it comes off. Jibbles, not jumbles, jibbles. But yeah, it's not too dark right now. I just didn't, just in case the lights cut, you know. Anyways, but I sure hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, turn on your notifications, get new mods, or get new videos, because we're going to be getting a new engine, bigger tires, bigger wheels, and you can also check out our other projects, such as the Super Stang, which is a supercar that I'm making out of a 1995 Mustang. Go check my channel out for that. And, but basically that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did like this video, comment below all your thoughts, ideas, and questions you had. But just like that, this video is over. And I'm out.